Hi, I'm Elliot Grindle.
And I'm Parker Spear. Today we are testing the effects of water density by manipulating temperature, salinity and temperature, and how it affects our homemade submarine. Now how are we going to test that, you ask? Well, Elliot,
We are going to take our homemade submarine, place it in here, watch it sink, float back to the top. We're going to compare those three data points as a timed result in our three setups.
our three setups are control, which is room temperature tap water, chilled salt water, and heated salt water. Alright, so we've done our control, and we're able to replicate. Hypotheses?
Well, we just did it, as you said, on the control, and it went down, up, down, up.
I believe it went down a little bit.
Down a little
But
bit.
we're able to replicate.
So we did it, we replicated. It was great. Now we're going to do cold water with salt. Salinity level is about 1.02, a little bit higher than the fresh water. So my hypothesis is that it won't make it back up.
We'll make it back up. I say it's going to come back up, but it's going to be noticeably slower on this one.
Okay.
So let's see what we got.
So we've just taken our results from chilled salt water, and we're about to do our heated salt water.
Any thoughts?
Well, I was wrong on that last one. So I feel like this time it's going to do what I thought. So I think it's going to sink faster and raise faster.
Still going to sink faster?
Yep, I'm going to stick with it.
I'm going to go opposite with you, and I'd say it's going to sink very slow or not at all. Looking at the heated salt water.
You think so?
I think so.
So, Parker, looks like you were correct all three times. That was pretty impressive. So our results show that cold salt water, it sank faster and it went through the process a little quicker. Tap water, it was pretty good speed. It may have done more repetitions, but it was a little slower. And then we had
heated salt water, where what do you think, buoyancy or the density had to do with I mean, it didn't even sink at all.
Yeah, it was pretty much a dud. We tried many times, thought maybe we got jammed. We put 3 or 4 rounds in, same exact results. So there's not much we can say about it other than it didn't sink. You're gonna need a lot more force in hot water.
And throughout the whole process, we were weighing the amount of Alka-Seltzer that we were using. We were using the same 1.25 grams.
Safety first.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.